What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by this title, we are about to do an unboxing. Your girl is so freaking excited. Like, oh my goodness, y'all don't know how long I've been waiting for my camera, how long I've been saying I need a camera. Like, I started off YouTube with my phone, my iPhone 6S Plus, but after a while it wasn't working for me. So I was just like, yes, I need to move on. I need to upgrade. I started saving money. I'm just like, yes, it is finally here. And I'm so excited, y'all. Like, y'all understand, I'm so freaking excited. Before we get down into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below other things you want to hear from me. And stalk me on all my social medias like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I'll make sure I list them below. And let's get started. Let's get down into this video because y'all don't know how long I've been waiting for this camera. Like, I did my research. I was like, yes, this is the camera for me. I was trying to choose between this camera and the Canon M50. I was just like, I wanted something small. I wanted something lightweight. I wanted something that I can take around with me. So when it all came down to said and done, this was the camera. This is something that you can travel for. So yes, I recommend this camera if anybody want to know. My next camera, probably I would try out the M50 because I was trying to, you know, choose between those two. But yes, let's get down into this video because your girl is so excited. Like, I peeked in a box just a little bit, but I didn't open anything. I was waiting for y'all. I wanted to share what I got in my little box with y'all. So yes, let's get down to this video. Like, I'm so excited. Yes. Boom. Before we get down into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below other things you want to hear from me. And stalk me on all my social medias like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I'll make sure I list them below. And let's get started. Let's get down into this video because y'all don't know how long I've been waiting for this camera. Like, I did my research. I was like, yes, this is the camera for me. I was trying to choose between this camera and the Canon M50. I was just like, I wanted something small. I wanted something lightweight. I wanted something that I can take around with me. So when it all came down to said and done, this was the camera. This is something that you can travel for. So yes, I recommend this camera if anybody want to know. My next camera, probably I would try out the M50 because I was trying to, you know, choose between those two. But yes, let's get down into this video because your girl is so excited. Like, I peeked in a box just a little bit, but I didn't open anything. I was waiting for y'all. I wanted to share what I got in my little box with y'all. So yes, let's get down to this video. Like, I'm so excited. Yes. Y'all ready? Okay, let's start. Yes, it's a box of goodies. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes. So, the first thing that was on top of this box is like a bag. I guess this is where I put my camera in if I'm traveling or anything. This will come in handy so freaking bad. Like, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Let's see. Let's open it. Okay, you can see it got inside. It's, you know, it's lightweight and stuff like that. Nothing major, nothing heavy. It got the little hang thing that go to it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. Like, this is just, oh my goodness. This is just making me even more excited to take my camera on vacations or when I'm traveling other places or even when I'm doing like just a regular get ready with me. And the next thing that was on top is a flash drive. Yes, this is another thing that will come in handy, especially if you got a laptop and you just don't want to feel like connecting your camera to your phone. Yes, this would definitely come in handy. And I can't seem to get it out. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. Yes, this is the blue flash drive. Yes. I'm loving this. And what's on the other side? Oh, nothing. Yes. Okay. What's next? What's next? What's next? Okay, this is probably the most important thing when you're traveling. Yes, a little tripod. Oh my goodness, this got a nice grip. Oh yes. Oh my goodness, I love this. This will come in handy so much when I'm traveling. I keep it like this or like this. Yes. Let me compare my old tripod thing to this one. Now look, they said this could even be for my phone or my camera. Do you see the difference? This is so weak. Oh my goodness. But this came with my camera. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. Another good reason why I got this bundle deal was because it came with 2 SD cards, both 16 gigabytes. So it's add up to 32 gigabytes. And I'm just loving this. I know I'm going to be recording a lot, so I'm going to need a lot of space. So yeah, I'm excited. I really am. Also, if anybody know what this is, I don't know, is this supposed to store our SD cards in there? Let me know below what this is. I don't know what this is. It's just like a little container with like little squares, if you see that. So, I don't know what that is. So, it's going to come in handy for something. And then it got like the cleaning cloth. You know, when you want to clean your screen off and stuff like that. Because I know cameras, mirrorless cameras, they get a bunch of fingerprints on here. A bunch of fingerprints. So, and then it comes with this pen. Yes, let's take this out of the plastic. It's like, you push up, is a little brush. You know, when you want to brush the dirt off. Push that back down. And then it comes with like a little eraser. So, this would definitely come in handy when I'm trying to clean off my camera. What's next? Then it comes with a professional series starter kit. There you go. And this comes with the mini tablet top tripod, the cleaning spray, a cleaning cloth, and a screen protector. I'm definitely going to need a screen protector for my my back of my camera. Then also it comes with this socket cord. And last but not least, the best thing that it comes with. You ready? You ready? The camera. The camera. This is my new baby. We are going to name her Newbie Snoopy. Yes. Let's check inside the box. Okay. See, where's the opening? Pop that baby world open. Pop this side open. 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 Yes. Comes with this little socket cord. So, it comes with the getting started kit. Then it comes with a charger. It comes with 1 battery. I'm going to go and buy a new one because 1 battery is just not going to be enough for me, especially if I'm going to be recording a lot for YouTube. It comes with the strap that goes around the camera, you know, if you wanted to hold it around your neck or if you just don't want your camera to fall. And the beauty. The camera itself. I'm trying to be so careful with it. Like, you know, when you get something new and then you just don't want to use it, you just don't want to touch it. Oh, goodness, do you see that? It is so beautiful and it's so lightweight. Oh my goodness, this is going to do me justice. Like literally justice. And look at that! My flip screen. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Now let me show you what it looked like on my tripod. So I'm going to screw my tripod on. Screw this on real quick. Okay. Let's see. Yes, this is definitely going to help. Y'all see how this just fits? Like, it it just works. Oh my goodness. I got a fingerprint on my screen already. So I'm going to use this little white thing. And I'm going to clean my screen. Because this is what it's for. Like, let's just wipe it off real quick. Okay. Perfect. That's better. And that's it, y'all. That is my unboxing. Yes, I cannot start waiting to use Newbie Snoopy. Yes, that is her name, and I'm going to keep that. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, thank you guys for watching. You are now a part of the family only if you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, just make sure you do that before you leave this video. And if you are not new to my channel and you are already a part of the family, make sure you like this video and also make sure you comment down below other things that you would like to hear from me. Also, if you would love for me to do some more unboxing, make sure you comment below. Let me know. Give your girl some ideas. Talk to me. We are a family. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. And remember, always stay positive and always be confident. And then don't forget to follow me on my social medias and stalk me. I love you guys and I appreciate every last one of you. And I will see you next time in my next video. Bye, y'all.